Hey, what's up internet, and welcome back to our Walt Disney World adventures. You saw in our last video, we were over at the Magic Kingdom. Today we're over at a different park. We're at Disney's Hollywood Studios. And you know, I kind of like that this park is smaller. It feels a little bit more intimate like Disneyland and kind of what we're used to. But we got a lot planned. We woke up at 7 a.m., scored a boarding group for Rise of the Resistance, and we also have reservations for the Sci-Fi Drive-In Theater, a really cool restaurant where you're basically staying in a car for lunch. And I'm starving, so I think it's time for us to get some food. Maddie's here.
Hi.
What are you looking forward to the most today?
Tower of Terror. I've never been on it when it was in California, and I'm excited to go on it.
Yeah, we don't have Tower of Terror. We have Guardians over in California, so I've heard great things. Okay, so we made it into the Sci-Fi Dine-In Theater, and I have to say, this place is super cool. Just like the atmosphere of it, like you're in a soundstage. We're sitting in a car right now. Maddie and I are here in the back row. We got some Tom and Jerry playing on the screen in front of us. We got all these cars, and the best part is it's very air conditioned in here. Okay, our food just arrived. I have the chicken pasta in front of me. What did you get?
The buffalo chicken salad.
This looks so good. It's a very big, these are very big entrees. And so let's go ahead and dig right in. We got some chicken, some pasta, some cheese over it, and some veggies. That is some A1 pasta right there. Back now at the front of the park, we're in line right now for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I know this ride's coming over to our side over in Disneyland in the next year or two, but I've seen videos of this and it looks super cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, there they are! We'll be right down! Oh boy! We made it! Nothing can stop us now! Hurry, Mickey! Hurry! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together.
Hi, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so high.
That ride was so fun! Okay, we made our way over to the Sunset Boulevard part of the park, and we just went on, what is that ride called?
Rockin' Roller Coaster.
Rockin' Roller Coaster. I always get that confused with Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket over in Universal, but that was great. Here's a photo from the ride, and this is the face of someone who got completely caught off guard and that launched straight into the loop. That was something else.
That was something else.
But now we are here in line at Tower of Terror, which is a ride I miss very deeply over on the West Coast.
Inside the elevator at all.
Okay, so we just got off of Tower of Terror, and I have to say, I loved it. I thought it was super cool how the car actually like pushes forward, and like the drops, they were intense, but it didn't seem as intense as Guardians. Guardians seemed like the drops are bigger.
Yeah, they felt a lot bigger in Guardians. Tower of Terror was like not as much as compared to Guardians.
I'm so glad we got to check it out. It was really cool. We're going on one of my favorite rides right now, Rise of the Resistance. I must say the Resistance is very mindful of protecting us against the pandemic. Plexiglass is very present in the Star Wars universe.
You guys out. Blue and red, follow me. Silver and orange, follow them.
Transport and supervise your children.
Excited.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Detachment to level D.
Resistance base is secure.
Alright, well thanks for joining us on our super fun day here at Hollywood Studios. Tune in to the next video because tomorrow we are heading over to Animal Kingdom for a wild good time, and I'm so excited to check out Pandora and ride Expedition Everest. It's gonna be great. But until then, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you on the internet. So one of my TikTok impulse buys that's definitely coming in clutch is this dual neck band. It's rechargeable, rests on your neck, and with the super warm weather that we have today, it's definitely coming in handy. If you're ever going to a theme park, get yourself one of these fans.